What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I wanted to make a quick video and just go over the 3 red flags you should be watching out for when you are about to hire a credit repair company, credit restoration company, or a credit solutions company. Now, most of these companies are going to give you just these crazy promises, crazy guarantees. So I wanted to give you 3 of the main red flags to look for. Number 3 is going to be no realistic expectations, meaning they are either, just telling you nothing's going to happen, or they're just telling you too much, like we'll be done in 60 to 90 days guaranteed. As we all know, that's not how it works. This is all up to the bureaus. That's who we're fighting. You can get results that fast, but you can't promise and guarantee everybody those type of results. You just can't do that. Number 2 is going to be no type of money back guarantee. Now, this is something that you are going to find yourself not finding with any company. It is something that I offer, however, but I'm just telling you, if there is no type of money back guarantee, that is another red flag. They can tell you, promise you, and guarantee you whatever they want verbally, but unless it's in the agreement that you sign, there is no money back guarantee. We have that in our agreement when you sign the 6-month money back guarantee. And the number 1 red flag to look for is going to be paying thousands of dollars up front and then a monthly fee, or just simply paying $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, maybe even $4,000 as a one-time fee. As most of you already know, there are no one-time fees for somebody working on your credit. The FTC, CFPB, no, you're not doing that. So again, I just wanted to give you all 3 red flags to look for. This is not me trying to convince you to hire me, although if you do hire me, everything we just talked about, we are going to give you realistic expectations. There is a money back guarantee, as well as we're not going to charge you thousands of dollars to get started. So if you are interested in signing up, I'll leave everything in the description of the video, links to my website, links to my free score now. If you want to set up a consultation, we can set up a consultation. Consultations are absolutely free. There is no charge for consultations. That's all I got for now. I don't plan on going live till tomorrow, and this will be the last video I'll make today. I hope everybody has a great Sunday afternoon.